Okay, so I'm doing a dash cam install on a 718 Spyder. So just a couple of informational tidbits on doing this, make your life a little easier if you're trying to do the same thing. Uh, Basically, make sure you remove enough trim so that you can properly run the wires in a nice way. What I do recommend is you remove the entire fuse box cover, not just the door, but the entire cover. Also, this inner trim by the door, because it's gonna hide some of that cover. So get this trim off, that way you'll be able to pop off the fuse box cover. Remove these trim panels on the side. There's two, one here, one on top. Pop them off. Use plastic trim removal tools. The more tricky part is removing the A-pillar so that you can run the wires down to the fuse box. What you'll need to do is remove the visor. The visor is held on by 3 screws. They're Torx screws. 1, 2, 3. The visor will drop. You just got to make sure your top is open, because this little tab is into a receiver that's also part of the visor mechanism. So open the top a little bit so that you can remove the visor and the mount. Once that's out, if you have an illuminated visor, you'll have to disconnect the plug so that you can remove the visor completely. And then basically you have free access to running your wires to your dash cam. My dash cam is mounted right here in front of the rear view mirror. Here's a rear view camera. I'll run the wires so that they're pretty well hidden, and they'll go through the trim, down the A-pillar, down to the fuse box. Power is usually from the bottom row. I believe that is switched power. So I'll be tapping into that lower set of fuses, and then put it all back together, and we should be good to go. Thanks for watching. Okay, all wired up. Just a little recap of the way things are. So just a little light on the subject. Rear camera, cables, goes up through the visor area, across, down the A-pillar, down to the fuse box. I tapped an empty fuse area at the bottom that's switched. I don't want the dash cam running when the car's off anyway, so I wired it up just on switched power. And then we got a ground at that chassis bolt right there at the dashboard. Now all we have to do is close it all up and we're good as new. Bye-bye.